Hello, hello, hello. Hey, you guys, this is Deeja the Viva. Deeja the Diva. I know I talk so fast, and with these braces, sometimes you can't understand. But good morning, good morning, good morning. As you can see, it's just getting dawn. But I wanted to come to you guys with a video. I am doing a DIY this morning, and I got one started already, and I just want to show you what I did. This is all Dollar Tree items. This is just a candy jar and a candle holder. And I glued them together, and I got some of that diamond ribbon, and I put it at the top here. But I crisscrossed it in the front because I'm going to add a diamond there. I wanted to give it like a 1950s feel. A little posh glam. But yeah, I used E6000 and super glue. E6000 I got from Walmart, but everything else is from the Dollar Tree. All right, let's get started so I can show you what I did. First, I took off my top for my candy dish, and I've already added the E6000 around my dish, and I've already cut the length of the diamond ribbon. So I'm just going to go around and stick it where I put the glue. Okay. Can you guys see that? Just sticking it where I put the glue at. And I did a up sweep like that in the front. Okay? So I'm just pressing that in. Okay, I have to do a little bit of cleanup where the glue just stripped just a little, but you never have to worry because it dries clear, but I'm just anal in that way when I'm doing my crafts here. But yeah, do my little adjustments. Press it down, press it down, press it down, press it down. Let's see. Give it a good press so it all sticks. Yeah. Now these are going to be for my cotton balls and my Q-tips in my bathroom. You know, even though especially since I'm living with guys, girls, I need that glam. I need that glam. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Now, as that's drying and I'm waiting, you see how I give it that little upswing in the front? Now, I can put a diamond on there, or I can just wait. But you see? Very nice. Very quick, very simple, very easy. And honey, if I can do it, anybody can do it. Because let me tell you, I used to be that kid in art class that couldn't draw a circle with a compass. So if I can do it, best believe you can do it too. All right, now this is the candlestick, Dollar Tree again. Everything's Dollar Tree except for my E6000. And what I did was I just ran some super glue, thin line of super glue right around the edge of the candlestick holder. Right around the edge. And then, let me close that up. I got my E6000. And a little goes a long way. And I just went around very thinly. Can you guys see that? Very thinly with my E6000. Close that up real quick. Make sure you're working from an even surface here. And all I did was I placed it. You can hurry and adjust it just to make sure it's where you want it to be even on your candlestick holder. Look how nice that is. Now, I really don't have to, that's with the top on. I really don't have to do much more to it if I didn't want to. But I have these extra knobs in which I did my china cabinet. And I ordered these from Amazon. See how pretty those are? What I could in turn do is I could add the knob to the top. And I said, no, that's decorative enough. I like that. Or what I could do was add the diamond there. Again, I said, no. I like it as is. I think it looks great. Easy peasy. Enough glam for me without the boys complaining. So, yeah. That is my DIY for the day. As you can see. Bam. Just super easy. And the way I went up with the ribbon gives it a 1950 overlap feel. Yeah, I like that. I like that. It gives me enough polish without them being overwhelmed with my glam. See? Dollar Tree, candlestick, candy dish, and dollar ribbon. I used the first one, I used the super glue at the top. It works way better with the E6000. Maybe because it's a gel, but it works way better with the E6000. So the second one, I did the E6000 around. But in order to hold the candlestick to the candy dish, what I did was I added the same thing I did on the first one. The thin layer of the super glue and then a thin layer of the E6000. Let that sit and rest, and I'm on to the next one, on to the next one. So, in saying that, my next DIY that I'm preparing to do. Now, as I come with the decorating of my house and stuff, all you guys know that I love the cobalt blue and red. Well, I wasn't too hip on that cobalt blue for my valances in the living room. So I'm just going to leave my valances white in there. My main colors in there are still going to be black, white, and red. Even though I incorporated some of the royal or cobalt blue in the dining room, my living room's going to be tiny smidget different, but the rooms are all going to flow together. And when I reveal that, you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, my kitchen, as you can see, the door. Girl, you know, I'm weary of the killer. But those curtains needed washed. So I washed them, and then while I was washing them, I was like, there are some pillowcases that I'm going to incorporate in my living room. You know, you guys, I'm crazy about the upcycling. Using what you got to make what you want. So you can save that money for other things, like vacations or something. Treat yourself, you know? So, took the curtains down, I washed them, and I got these pillowcases that are a dark tan, and I wanted to dye them red to match some of my decor that I'm going to have in my living room. So I went and got me red dye, scarlet, color scarlet. I got a liquid and I got a powder. Even though the pillowcases are, I want the color vibrant, but they're just 18 by 18. Just little throw pillows. So I said, since in my kitchen I got the wood, like the cherry wood cabinets, and I got the stainless steel black and silver going on in here, and my pop of color is red, but my curtains are brown. Wah, wah. That's how I feel about that. So I'm gonna try my hand at dyeing the curtains along with the pillowcases. They're both in the washer right now, getting washed and spiffy. I'm gonna wash. I always believe in washing whatever you're going to dye first, whether it's new or not, because you don't know what kind of coating or whatever it has on it. So I'm washing that thoroughly. And I'm going to try my hand, and I'm going to let you guys know how those curtains turn out. But I hope they come out red. I think I got enough dye for those two little thin pillowcases and the two short curtains. You know, they're like the 36-inch. They're just enough, just long enough to cover that window. That's it. Room darkening curtains. So yeah, I got the 8 ounces of the red scarlet dye. I have that. This is really not a flattering angle, but love me, love me. And the scarlet powder. I thought maybe that would be more concentrated. So these together should give me my results. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. I'm getting ready to drink my protein shake this morning. It's my breakfast. I'm getting ready to show you guys exactly how these turned out. I don't think I'm going to add anything to them, but one good idea, see? Where am I? There we go. One good idea is that if I wanted to add something in the middle here, I could take the back off of an old earring or brooch and just put it there. You know, I have some that got diamonds and pearls on them. I don't know. May or may not. You know, I try to slide in my little bit of glam. Just slide, just slide, just slide, just slide, just slide. I am losing weight, you guys. Look. Can you guys see? Getting that waistline in there. Boom. Yes, it's getting there. But I've lost 10 more pounds. Woo-woo! Now, I wish I'd lose more on my face, but I guess that comes with time. But that waistline, honey, that waistline is getting there. But in saying that, I am pescatarian. Fish and seafood and a whole bunch of vegetables and salads and stuff. I've always loved salads though. So that was the easy part. I'm discovering new vegetables and new ways to come about fixing them and stuff. I had a veggie hoagie that was awesome. Yes, it was awesome, you know. But I'm one of those pescatarians. I do enjoy cheese and eggs. So I have not cut that out. You got to tailor your diet according to your likes and dislikes and what your body craves and needs. So, but everything in moderation. But I'm doing great. I'm feeling great. I'm excited for the holiday decor. I just got a call that my grandson will be out of school early tomorrow because Trump is coming to town. So for their safety, they're letting the kids out of school early. Okay, he goes around 7, but he'll be back at 10. Oh well, I know what his answer is going to be. It's going to be, why do I even have to get up and go anyway? Because it will be counted as an absence. You save your absence for the really bad snowy days. How about that? All right. I'm happy with how this turned out. Look at that. That's cute. That is cute. And it took all of what? 3 seconds? Wow. Let me see. How much did I pay? $1 for the candy dish. $1 for the candlestick. That's $4 because I did 2. And I have the dollar ribbon from the Dollar Tree. That's $3. The super glue. That's $4. My E6000, which I already had, so you know, $4. $4. And you get something fabulous and new. Because I was looking at home goods. I went to Burlington and I went to Joann's Fabric. And I seen this. And this was $19.99. And I'm saying, see that new DIYer in me. Since I've become a traveling woman. I'm DIYing to save money instead of just going ahead and buying. But I'm enjoying. I am so enjoying. So, yep. $5 for 2. Bam. And the money I saved, I put aside for my vacation. Because, you know, your girl... got to go. Got to go. Alright, I'm gonna stop now. Alright. This is Deja the Diva. I love you guys to life. Act blessed, walk blessed, talk blessed, and be a blessing to who? To the Lord by blessing somebody else. Please click that like and subscribe button and share with the community. All right, I will let you guys know how those curtains turned out and those pillowcases. I'm going to drink my breakfast and wish y'all guys a wonderful, wonderful day. I love you to life, and this is Deja the Diva. In case you didn't know I loved you. Okay. All right, I'm in this mood. I slept good for once in the last 2 weeks. So, yeah. So keep abreast on what I'm doing by pressing that bell, so you'll be notified with every video. But I'm out. This is Deja the Diva. Love you guys to life. Be blessed.